Samsung 1 terabyte SSD drive. It's super fast, but it's used. Ugh. Would you buy a used SSD drive? I saved 30 bucks. Somebody used this and said, I don't want it, and turned it back in. And guess what? I picked it up. Hi, this is Rick. Welcome to VidTech with Rick. Well, this is a Samsung T7 SSD drive that I got for only $55. I can't even believe it. When it first came out, it was very, very expensive. It's been dropping. Best Buy. Best Buy certified. Certified by the Geek Squad. It works perfect and I saved some money. It did not come with the original box, but it did come with the drive, one USB-A to USB-C cable, and one USB-C to USB-C cable. It also came with instructions, which, as a man, I quickly threw out. So when people return things, they can't resell it as new. Especially in this case, they did not have the box. So somebody could have bought this online and just returned it without the box, or destroyed the box or whatever. So I did not get the proper box with this, but I did get all the cables and the instructions and everything else. This is a fantastic deal. They have tons of other things. There were some AirPod Pro 2s for only, I think, $169. Oh my gosh, I mean, a whole bunch of really cool Apple products, different kind of electronic things that you can get super cheap. Don't be a snob. Look into it. It's certified used. Apple does it too, certified used. So I ordered this drive from the Best Buy website. I had a choice of having it shipped to me for free, but I'm nervous about porch pirates. So I chose to pick it up at my local Best Buy store, also for free. And both options took about 2 to 3 days. And it comes with a 15-day money-back guarantee, so I felt completely protected if something were to go wrong. If you're a video creator like I am, then SSD drives are your life and blood, maybe a photographer as well, but these things are super fast. You can edit with them, and if you didn't have the wherewithal or the finances to buy the internal storage for your Mac, then this is the next best thing. This drive is small with a tough rubbery skin, so drops are no big deal, and I love taking it on vacations or on location. T7, I've been wanting this one for a long time. It's super fast, it works great. But the best part is that now they're totally affordable, if you can find some on the certified refurbished Best Buy website. I'm thoroughly impressed with this Samsung 1 terabyte SSD drive that I got for $54. So for more tips and tricks like this, please like and subscribe to my channel, VidTech with Rick. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.